when you log into Atlan and they see with their own eyes everything that we did, and they're like,
Now, having gone through this journey of implementation and rollout, like how has Atlan helped you and the team?
It's funny because I've been talking about that so much, and I asked my guys to give me a feedback, right? So, what is your experience? Because my experience might be very different. And one of the things that I heard, even within maybe first 2 or 3 weeks from, Kate, who was the main developer on that, she said, "Oh my God, I'm in Atlan every day, and I use it in my work." And I'm like, right, it's a catalog. She said, no. It's something that, you know how I've been documenting everything in Excel and I go back and forth. And so now I have everything in one place. And when I do a next project, I actually look at the thing and I see an impact right away because of the lineage. And, another developer was reporting, same for the Tableau, because oftentimes users come in and say, well, the dashboard is great, but can you take a look at the actual source data, right? And there are ways to do it in Tableau, but it is so much easier if you see which view fits into that particular dashboard, and then you can explore that view in Atlan. All of these things, contributed to us being able to be more productive. And that was a big surprise. I knew it would be more like, around data controls and around data governance, but I didn't realize how much help we'll get in our day-to-day work by using the tool. And I'm in it every day.
That's amazing. Do you have any sense of how much productivity it might have created for your team, or how much time it would have, do you have any sense of what that value would look like?
I would say, considering specifically the ad-hoc, right? If we have about, maybe 40 or 50 every month, and if we, do them on a regular basis, and sometimes the same person is not available, so another person should step in. So, you can kind of calculate, say, an hour each, right? So about so. And then if you have them all in Atlan, and you can actually look for it yourself if you're not the person who created it to begin with, or have a user who is already familiar with it, go and look at it. You spend 10 minutes maximum. One of the things that I always experience as a challenge at CSE is when the new leadership comes in, right? And you need to start all over again, explaining, right, what you did and where you're going with it. When you log into Atlan and they see with their own eyes everything that we did, and they're like, okay, so now they do know what the team is and what we do. It's just so much easier because it's a tool that is very user-friendly. It does not require a lot of preparation or a lot of training for people to start using it. So that became a part of onboarding and training for employees, which is really huge. Imagine how much time will that